Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a new tutorial. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create this metallic rose gold cut crease. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. So for this look, I'll be using the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to start by picking up burnt orange on a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to blend this into my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with Sienna, which is a little bit darker than burnt orange. And I'm going to apply that right in my crease with a slightly smaller blending brush. Then I'm also going to add Mulberry in my crease to add a little bit more depth to the crease. Now I'm going to go in and cut the crease using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer on a small flat concealer brush. And I'm just following the shape of my natural crease. And then I'm going to wing it out towards my temples when I get towards the end of my eyes. Then I went in with Tempera on the lid, but I thought it was a little too white for me, so I ended up adding orange soda on top of it, just to get a color that was closer to my natural skin tone. And here I'm just adding burnt orange to my lower lash line and Mulberry on the outer corners. Now I'm using Glistening and Fairy to highlight my inner corners. Here I'm using Comet Dazzleliner from Nabla Cosmetics to do a metallic liner in my crease. And I swear this looked so good in real life, but it's kind of hard to see here on camera because my crease is so deep. Anyways, I thought that this liner was going to be more golden, but it was more of a rose gold color. So I decided to add a little bit of rose pink eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with my Inglot Gel Eyeliner to create a wing liner. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to do a wing liner, I'll have my eyeliner tutorial link down below in the description box for you. Here I'm using my favorite mascara combo, which is the Subversion Lash Primer from Urban Decay and the new mascara from Iconic London. Then I'm also adding Sasha lashes from Huda Beauty to finish off the look. For my cheeks, I'm using the blush and highlighter from the Becca Chrissy Teigen Glow Palette. And I'm actually obsessed with this right now. It just makes my skin look really nice and healthy. On the lips, I first applied Honey Lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I added a little bit of closer lip liner from Nabla Cosmetics. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!